Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and connectivity. Make sure the battery is above 50% so the device won't die during the process. Next, sign into your Samsung account on another device and use Find My Mobile to attempt a remote unlock. This avoids wiping data. Once done, try remote unlock and then reboot the phone. If the Samsung service cannot unlock, make sure you've tried Google Find My Device. Otherwise, proceed to recovery mode for a factory reset, which erases data. You'll now perform a recovery mode reset when remote unlock fails. Power the phone off completely, then press and hold volume up and power, and Bixby if present, until the Samsung logo appears. Once in recovery, use the volume keys to highlight wipe data/factory reset and press power to select. This clears the pattern lock by wiping user data. Confirm yes when prompted. After the reset finishes, choose Reboot System Now and wait. The device restarts without the previous. Once the phone boots, you'll go through Android setup. Make sure you sign in with the same Google and Samsung accounts used before the reset, because factory reset protection can block access otherwise. If you have a backup, restore apps and data now. Make sure to reconfigure a secure but memorable lock. If you encounter a Samsung or Google account prompt you cannot bypass, you'll need the original credentials or visit an authorized service center. Attempting unofficial bypasses risks bricking the phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.